What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this addition remodel job, and I have quite a big update for you guys. We're gonna walk around and show you everything, but the outside of the house is pretty much done here. We got door rock on the outside here. We had to do the same thing that we did on the other side of the house. I didn't record any of this because it was pretty much the same exact thing as the other side. We had to knock down 4 blocks of concrete, pour all of the lower blocks full of mortar mix, gravel mix on top, formed up to right here, and then pressure treated framing on top all the way up to the plate, door rock on the outside, insulate it, and then door rock on the inside as well, which you might be able to hear a screw gun go right now. That's what Rodrigo is finishing up, but you can see we had to dig all the way to here to give us room to work, get everything out of here, but it looks much better and it is much stronger now. So that is done. I will go downstairs real quick and show you guys in there. If you didn't see the video of us doing this side of the house, you can go back a few videos on my channel. We had to do the same thing all the way down this side. The back part of this house is an addition, so that was new poured concrete, but you can see right here the front was all block, so we had to do the same thing on both sides here. But let's sneak downstairs real quick and I will show you this. Right here, you hear Rodrigo banging, but this side has a window. You can see all the fresh poured concrete here, door rock on the inside here, all the way back here. This piece still open. You can see all the insulation in here, but this side over here is what we had to just finish up. So we did the driveway side of the house first, and then this side after. You can see all the freshly poured concrete right there, and it went the whole side of the house all the way to the front corner here. Luckily the front of the house was in much better shape. I think being that there was a deck on the house, it kept the water off of the block, but the block on both sides of the house was in really bad shape, so we had to do this, and it was unfortunate, but it is what it is. So that is pretty much done down here. He's just got one piece of door rock left, and that's it. But up here, the kitchen is pretty much in. All the cabinets got installed. This is a custom hood vent for the stove, which is right here. This is a very nice stove, all black with gold handles and knobs and stuff. So that'll obviously get thrown in. Over here we have a sink going in this cabinet. The granite company came, made a template for all of the countertops here. There is a wine cooler, I believe, somewhere going in right there. It's probably one of these boxes here, or it might be, no, that's a vanity. Yeah, it's probably in the garage. But there'll be a wine cooler here, countertop across this whole thing. Over here we are using self-leveling concrete to fill this in. I just put a bonding agent on it here. That's all the white stuff. So I'm gonna let that set up, and then maybe tomorrow while I'm here I will get the concrete in there and get that done. But we are in very good shape here. This kitchen is coming out very nice. The homeowner had one of his friends make this little, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's like an enclosure for the hood. It is a stainless steel hood, but he has this, and personally I like it. I guess that is opinion based. Some people might like seeing the stainless rather than having it wood and painted, but that is up to you, I guess. So nice window to look through, either into the kitchen or out here into the family room. I think you guys have seen all of this. I don't know if this window was sheetrock here. We had, or spackle I should say. We had our spackle guy in here and he finished both of these. Homeowner bought these two cabinets for this room here. This is a laundry room, so washer and dryer will go right in the middle here. That is a pan for an air handler, which is up in this attic space in here. There is an air handler above us here, which is why you have a return right here. That does this section of the house. And then there's another one that goes up on the second floor. I will go up there and show you guys that real quick. So we're pretty much done up here for now. We have, this is the AC return for the front of the house and the second floor here. Bathrooms, we're waiting on the tile guy. You can see some of the tile here that the homeowner picked out. This is all, well, this is a base which will go on there. These will be for your walls. They are doing 8 inches of black, so this section here will get cut off. That'll go all there, and then white. Well, actually, it's gonna be 8 inches of black, and then 2 rows of white, and then I think 1 row of black, and then the whole inside after that is gonna be all white, or vice versa. I'm not positive on that, but we have everything laid out here for the tile guy to come in. He already came and looked at the job. He's just getting a quote together, and then he'll be in here to get this done. This is the tub. We pulled it out of there. That way, when he comes, it's not in his way. I think, well, I don't know if all the trim was done in the last video that I showed you guys, but trim on all the windows and base trim pretty much everywhere. Heat will be getting installed tomorrow. That's why there's nothing there. That's baseboard heat. Same with that wall there. You got baseboard along the back in there. You got baseboard over on this wall. And then this staircase brings you up to the attic in here, which is where the rest of the AC stuff is. So obviously we'll have to get some plywood down on top of all the insulation in here and figure out where the air handler is going up here and get all that taken care of. But we are making very good progress on this house. I think that pretty much covers it up, or covers it all for updates on this house. I don't think there's anything that you guys haven't seen now that the kitchen is in, and I showed you the concrete work, cabinets in the laundry room, which is whatever. But I think that is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.